Now, you know that I always say, you degenerates, and it's because that we just love to push the limits. And sometimes those limits, we go full tilt, and then before you know it, we're down 20, 30 grand. And this video that we're going to watch is no different. And this one, I don't really do online gambling reviews because Kyle does that on OG Highlights. But this one I thought was a good one, and this is from Yasuo. If I'm saying that name correctly, I found him scouring the internet, seeing if there was something fun where someone just went downhill fast. So buckle up and let's enjoy the ride. Let's go, you guys. And if you can go over, do a like and subscribe, wherever you want. I'm leaving it up to you.
Oh my god, like, it hurts so much. Like, my heart hasn't hurt like this in a while, bro. Please give me a blackjack.
Budget for your high card for the dealer. Let's take a look at what. Oh no, this is
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh, you guys.
I want to do blackjacks, 1Ks until...
and that is all I have seen.
I want to do blackjack till 25K or 15K.
And that's why I wanted to watch this really, really bad. And if you can, right down there's his name, Yasuo, if I said it right. Go check his YouTube channel out.
Complain. 6s versus 9. That's definitely not a split. That's just a hit. 100% just a hit.
I got to say the capture card on this, though, is nice and crisp.
too many.
Yeah, you think? You fucking think? Oh, man. Can't complain. Of course I can fucking complain. Of course I can fucking complain. Okay, can't complain. Can't complain. Is this really how we're gonna start? Is this really how we're gonna start? Is this really how we're gonna start?
No more bets.
It always starts bad.
Oh my god, dude!
80. For participating, and the betting time is all yours.
Now, I do like that. I do like that he's up
If I
in the
lose this,
bet.
I'm off the table. If I lose this, I'm literally off the table. If I lose this, I'm literally off the table. Oh my fucking god!
Extra card on 14 to
Bro! Last one. If I lose this, I'm off the table.
Oh
Are
my
you
God.
fucking serious? I just
love
started!
this.
Give me one win, dude!
The
One win! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. This is sick! This is sick! Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. What the fuck, dude? Like, what the fuck? I just... Oh my god. Oh my... Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. How? I'm literally playing blackjack.
Welcome to the big boys,
I'm literally
buddy.
playing blackjack and I got fucked.
Easy come, easy go.
Oh my god, dude. Holy shit.
What was that, 2 minutes?
I don't even want to play slots now, I'm tilted. Dude, what? I don't even... I'm so tilted. I'm doing some first-person blackjack. I don't like that dealer. Yeah, Green Goblin.
Going to Evolution.
5. Thank you for the sub, man. Eddie Holt, thank you for the performance. I literally just lost 8K or 9K in like 2 minutes. Holy fucking shit! I think I lost 9K in 2 minutes. I literally lost 9K in 2 minutes.
Please place your bets.
Oh, like this is any better?
I can't even get a fucking blackjack. I can't even get a fucking blackjack. Oh my!
Oh no. Oh.
What the fuck, bro? I just lost. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck was that?
And the worst part is, now
I'm
it's a
down
chase.
12K in 3 minutes. 3 minutes! Oh my god. How unlucky am I?
3 minutes,
How
you guys.
fucking unlucky am I, dude?
3. It's not you're unlucky.
Oh, now I have to go do this. I just have to at this point, right? Where's that? Your table. I didn't say your table. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Don't. 7. Oh my god! I actually haven't won a single hand. I haven't won a single fucking hand. I haven't won a single fucking hand. I haven't won a single fucking hand. I'm so sick. I'm so sick. I'm so sick.
This guy is like on repeat. That's disgusting.
This is so fucking disgusting. This is so disgusting. She's gonna have 20. She's gonna have 20! Please give me this win. I need this. Thank you. Please don't fuck me here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we needed one win. We needed one win. We needed one win. We needed that one win. Holy fuck, dude. Holy shit. This is the most insane, unlucky... Oh my god. Let me see these bets. After this hand. Look at these bets. Look at these fucking bets.
Ooh.
3, 6. Out of 10 blackjack hands, I won 1. Out of 10 hands, I won 1. It's 49% odds. 49%. Ow.
You gotta play longer, man. It doesn't happen off the bat.
Oh my god.
This is so...
Dude, this is so fucking stupid. I'm actually genuinely tilted. I can't stop. I'm literally tilted. I'm actually so fucking tilted. I'm so fucking tilted. I'm so fucking tilted. Bullshit.
I wonder
Let me
how
see the
much
bullshit.
anxiety
Roll a 9 right here.
meant.
It's gonna be a 9, right? Oh, let me guess. A 6 right here. Let me guess. A 6 right here. What do you fucking know? Dealer change. Yeah, fucking scam me and run. Oh my god. Bro!
Hello, nice.
I wonder how much
Out of like 13
anxiety meds
hands, I
this
won
guy
1.
takes.
Out of 13 blackjack hands, I won 1, bro. What the literal fuck is that shit?
Maybe you need to
What
change
the
your
fuck
strategy.
is that?
Would you agree? Maybe go 2 hands.
What? Oh my god. Oh my fucking god, I'm disgusted. I'm so disgusted, man. I'm so disgusted. I'm so disgusted. I'm actually so disgusted. I can't believe how unlucky. I can't believe that. I can't believe... I'm genuinely so triggered.
I like the 11s.
I am genuinely so triggered.
Give me an 11, a 19, and a 28.
Wow.
Excuse here. Can I take you on a date? No, Chorus, you
Holy
cannot.
fuck.
We are here in Russia.
I haven't been this tilted
Scandinavia.
gambling in a long time. Like, that's just fucking stupid.
625, the lights, 100.
Give me 6. Give me 6. Give me 6. Give me 6.
11, 19, 34,
Eight.
You
8.
to Marcia, give please. There we go again. Hall, have you heard? The host is not giving anything here. They barely exist right next to the game. Recognizes number 8 as the winning one. 5th hottest spot on the wheel, so lately happens a lot. Also,
God, dude, I've never seen such rage.
Like, mostly at least within the last 10
I mean,
years.
Cody can take the cake. I've seen Cody lose it.
Last seconds left of betting time.
I'm so tilted. I can't. I'm so tilted.
Well, he
I
does
can't
his
believe how
best
unlucky I
like-
am.
like Sweden team
And don't
today.
gamble.
I can't believe that blackjack luck. I can't believe that blackjack
If
luck.
they win Denmark or no.
See, I know I'm a very unlucky
If I get
person.
15, I'm back. If I get 15, I'm
I
back.
know if I
15
have
and
luck
I'm
or
back.
not. That's
15
why.
and I'm back, dude. 15. Fuck!
Have think that please one time winner needs a chat ban seriously, or at least a warning would be cool though. As well. First
Oh, he's raging. He's raging
Good luck
right
me.
now.
Well, I'm already cleaned. I'm...
How?
How?
Denmark won Sweden first time ever.
Looks like someone didn't get disciplined as a kid.
I mean betting times. Excuse
Let me
wait, what?
move this down just a
It's
bit.
probably
Lord. Lord, my God. Give me 9. Give me 9 and I'm even. Give me 9 and I'm even. 9 and I'm even. Typical!
4-3.
Wow. Are you fucking serious, dude?
I think I'm
This
gonna
is
make
what
a
we're gonna do.
keyboard
I just deposited.
I want to make a keyboard where you can punch it, and it just withstands all the hate.
I just deposited another 10K.
Oh!
If I lose this, I'm down 30K today. I'm going to do blackjack. 2Ks. 2Ks on blackjack until we either go to 20K or we lose it. If we lose it, I'm probably going to stop. There's my 10K. I feel like I'm about to be really sick to my stomach, dude. I feel like I'm about to be really sick to my stomach, guys.
Maybe lower your bets.
Humongous donated $2. Play some Linda.
Guy donates $2 when he's down 30 or 20 at this point.
Think, I'm gonna do 2Ks. If I hit 20K, I'll stop here.
My name's Anna. I will be your dealer. Make safe, place your best. Let's play. Betting time's over. Wish you good luck.
I have to double. 4K bet. Good luck to me. Please don't fuck me. Give me a 10. Give me a 10, please. Typical. Oh my god, it's so typical. Please bust.
Sadly, it is plenty more than
Whoa.
sometimes till you're more than welcome to try your luck.
Whoa.
My heart,
That's
my heart
brutal.
genuinely fucking hurts. Like, dude.
That's
Holy
brutal.
Fuck, dude. Holy fuck, dude. What the fuck, bro? I've lost 14 out of 15 fucking hands.
Lower your
Oh my
bet.
god, my heart hurts so
Do
much.
See, I think,
Like,
the
my
other thing, too,
heart
is,
genuinely hurts right now.
what do they say? If you're doing the same thing over
I'm
and over
so
again, that's the
disgusted.
definition, and nothing changes.
I'm so
Definition of insanity?
disgusted. I'm so disgusted,
Do two hands.
dude.
Do 2 hands at $100.
Oh my god, like, it hurts so much. Like, my heart hasn't hurt like this in a while, bro. Please give me a blackjack.
Pledge a few high card for the dealer must take a like good luck to. Oh no, this is
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Dude, he destroyed his keyboard.
What the fuck,
Dude,
dude?
look at his keyboard.
fuck, dude?
Oh no.
Like, what the fuck is that, man?
Oh no.
What the fuck is that?
Oh no.
Are you fucking serious, dude? Holy shit, man. Look at my fucking desk, dude.
Oh no.
Like, are you fucking serious,
Oh
dude?
no.
Holy shit. What is that? Look. Like, what the fuck, man? I'm so disgusted. I'm so sick to my fucking stomach. I'm so sick to my fucking stomach.
He'll
Man,
learn
fuck
a
this
lesson
keyboard. I'm throwing
today.
this shit out, man. I'm throwing this fucking keyboard out.
Wow.
I'm not putting this shit back together.
So he lost all his money and he lost a
Back together,
keyboard.
this fucking stupid fucking keyboard. Go fuck yourself, dude. Go fuck yourself. Fucking.
Oh, he keeps going. Oh, look at he got a donor keyboard.
Donated $2. Remember what you said on GeoGuess today after missing that UK guess? Man, it's gonna be a bad day today. I'm gonna lose everything gambling, Sag man. Such bad luck today. Winter Cerulean donated $2.
Oh, this is when I said today's gonna be a bad day? Oh my god,
Play
everyone
it
guessed
for
it
the
already.
juice.
It was a bad day. And I gotta say, I think we need to know what our limits are and to expect when to lose and when to quit. And that was just pure entertainment, guys. All right. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.